We read from Yehoshua, Perek Aleph, Pasuk Ches, Ve'agisa bo yoimam v'alayla. Learn Torah day and night. The Chafetz Chaim once came into the yeshiva and he saw a few guys standing there and wasting their time. Mevatel zman, talking about all kinds of nonsense. The Chafetz Chaim told him, there was once a guy who lost his mind. You know what he did? He got up, went outside his house to the train tracks, and started to disassemble some train tracks. People looked at him and said, "What are you doing?" He said, "What is it your business? It's only passing near my house, and I'm only taking apart a few meters of the train tracks. Train tracks are so long. What is it to you?" And people told him, "You gotta be crazy. You know the damage that you're gonna cause?" He said, "What are you talking about? They're so long. Big deal, just a few meters are missing." Said the Chafetz Chaim, the Torah was given to us generation to generation, passes in the Messiah. One who stops learning, it's as if he's just taking off a few meters off the train tracks. But the damage is so great. The Torah is like one long train tracks throughout the generations. The Yeshiva guys understood the message and went back to their learning.